Okay, we're over here with Hot Hands, and we have David's going to show us some of the new stuff that they have here. You guys have seen me use some of this stuff before. Go ahead.
What this is our new lap warmer. It is 8 of our big super warmers put together. It's great for tailgating, it's great for the stadiums, it's great for the stand. Single-use item, up to 8 hours of heat. As you can see on the packaging, use it on your lap, put it on your seat. Anywhere somebody's cold, it'll warm them up. The next is our Bigfoot warmer. It's our new big toe warmer. With that, it is 60 feet larger than our normal toe warmer. So what it'll do, if people have larger feet, larger boots, you put that in, it'll keep them warm over 7 hours.
Cool. Thank you.